So I've been in and around horticulture for about 15 years. I first cut my teeth working at Gardens of Babylon in their garden center, and it led me down a path of eventually managing the garden center, helping to design the brand there, helping to redesign the space, helping to bring a lot of interesting offerings like living walls, and now I've gone on to head up our botanical design department. So the original idea for botanical design was to take the services that our garden center and our company was already doing so well, such as in-home delivery and installation, building custom art pieces for our customers, large-scale terrariums and living walls and moss panels. And Gardens of Babylon took a chance in allowing us to take it to the next level with botanical design. Botanical design is a white glove service, yes, but we offer something for everyone. From the smallest containers to the largest living walls that you can dream up, we can tackle it. The team that I work with are a host of incredibly talented people that love not only working with our customers, but also love bringing their talents to the table. We have a wide background of assets to pull upon, and everyone loves what they do, and that really shows. Times are changing, people are changing, but one thing stays constant. We all love nature. We all want to bring nature in. And I've seen the trends change over the years. I've seen the houseplant boom, ebb and flow. But there's still opportunity to bring plants into our lives and to allow them to enrich them and enrich our spaces and our families and our friends.